Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. This is CR Knives and Outdoors, and today we have a couple of folding knives that I found here in Costa Rica. Those are from the Smith's Products Company, and if I'm not mistaken, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I understand that this is not related with Smith & Wesson. It is a different company founded in 1886 by a gentleman called James Arthur Smith, and it's more a company into fishing products and sharpening products, and but they have knives on their catalog, folding knives, and also a couple of fixed blades, if I'm not mistaken. And for some reason, this is a very common brand here in Costa Rica. You can find it at every shopping related with knives, like camping or guns or tactical products, etc. So yes, I'm not a particular fan of foldings. I prefer fixed blade knives for my EDC. However, I would like to have these foldings with me, and there are some similarities between both of them. First of all, well, the brand, obviously. Then, if you can see, the price is exactly the same here in Costa Rica. It is 18,500 colones, which is like around $40, 38 to $40. And yes, well, let's start with the camping. We have the camping and the rally model. Let's start with the camping. This was originally a Tanto blade, and I mean originally because I reprofiled this blade, as you can see. I'm not a fan of the Tantos, so I made the curve on this blade in the best way possible, trying not to screw in that. And let's see what we have here. It is 2.78 blade inches long, black finish. It is kind of a stone wash finish, but this is darker. G10 handles, not flipper on it. We only have the thumb stock. It is kind of stuck. And liner lock. And it has jimping on the front, on the back, liner hole, and a deep carry pocket clip, which is actually ambidextrous. You can see the holes here if you want to change it. And I forgot to mention, both of them are in 420 stainless steel. And then let's see the rally. The rally is 3.4 blade. It has flipper with good action, as you can see. Liner lock as well. Thumb stud for deployment. G10 handles on this black color. It is stone wash finished on the blade. Drop point. However, the clip is not exactly the same finish. As you can see, it's like satin on the clip. It is different from the finish on the blade. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe the light is not the right to see that. Lanyard hole as well. No jimping on it. This one has no jimping. But yes, it has good action on it, as you can see. So I couldn't find much information on YouTube related with this brand. As I mean, not related with folding knives or knives in general. More likely products related with sharpening. And well, maybe this can help if you want to check this information before you put your hands on one of these models. And well, I hope you like it. Let me know your comments if you want to let me know your thoughts in regards to this video. You're more than welcome to place your comments on the comment box. You can hit like if you want as well. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.